One of the products I'd like to give a shout out to is Rusty's Off-Road Products. We've been in partnership with Rusty for over a decade now, and this is one of his products here, but he makes a slew of products for Jeep. Actually 17,000 SKU numbers he has in his inventory for Jeep product, from 41 Willys all the way up to the new JL and JT. I mean, look at the craftsmanship on some of these bumpers. You know, these are designed specifically to take, if you look at the stock bumper, it comes down to here. It removes that material there, but also it's built so strong to protect this part of your vehicle. You know, we see a lot of people who go to Jamborees, if they have a stock bumper or they have a stumpy bumper on their vehicle, they remove it and this part can get damaged. This is really difficult and expensive to replace. But if you look how this is designed, it's shape perfect. It has the sensors built in here. I mean, this stuff is just bulletproof.
Even keeps you from losing that flare when you come off that ledge with that tire. And you mount your license plate right here. We haven't done it yet, obviously, on this model, but that's where your license plate goes.
It's a heavy duty bumper. It comes winch ready, direct replacement, low profile, really helps you avoid all the rocks that are in front of or next to the vehicle. Gives you a great approach angle. And again, heavy duty, winch ready, good to hit the trail.
We also like this feature on these rear bumpers, just the hook here, so you can take a tow strap and go right around this in here. Easy to unhook at the end of the day. You can also put a D-ring or a shackle in here if you want to. I mean, it also takes into consideration, you can put this on with a receiver hitch back here as well. So it's been built to integrate all that stuff in there. You know, there's something to be said for businesses like Rusty's that have been in business for 46 years. They're doing something right, and the consumer really recognizes that, as we do. You know, we wouldn't put product on our vehicle if we wouldn't recommend it to you guys to buy. So we're out here. This vehicle's been probably at 18 Jamborees this year, a couple academies, been on the Rubicon a couple times. I mean, this stuff is built to last. It's absolutely bulletproof. If there's one product you're looking for, bumpers, you're looking for body armor, aftermarket rock rails, skid plates, full replacement steering systems, this is where you need to go. Go to rustysoffroad.com, check it out. We definitely live by this. Give it 2 thumbs up. If you call Rusty's Off-Road Product, you actually get Rusty on the phone most of the time. He'll talk to you about Jeeps until he's blue in the face. You can ask him questions about anything. He's one of the most knowledgeable individuals about Jeeps and Jeep parts for your vehicle than anybody. You can ask him any question you want, but he's somebody who actually comes to our events, the academies and the Jamborees. He actually wheels. So all of the R&D testing on this bumper or all of his product, whether it's rock rails or steering systems or bumpers, he's done all the testing himself. He goes out, he wheels on the Rubicon in Moab, some of the most challenging trails, and he sees what works and what doesn't, and then he goes back to his place and he redesigns them and produces this stuff. So these products are built by enthusiasts, crafted by them, and most importantly, made in America.